Hello again, everyone. Today we are going to start doing some pictograph work. We talked about pictographs once already this year, and we're going to talk about them again. And here again I have a nice frequency table, and it is some tally marks again. So I'm going to figure out my totals for my tally marks before I try to move my data over to my pictograph. So there's type of transportation and our number of students. So I see 4 tallies for walk. So I'm going to put a 4, 2 for bike, a bundle and 2 more tallies, so that's 7 for car, and then a bundle and 3 more tallies for bus, so that's 8. So for my title, I know that my frequency table is about type of transportation and number of students. So I'm going to title my bar graph something that goes with that also. If it's got number of students and type of transportation, I'm going to title it student transportation. Okay. So this is going to be a vertical pictograph. So that means our categories are going to go down here. So my categories are walk, bike, car, and bus. And if we remember, a pictograph uses symbols to represent our data, and we always have a key that tells us how much each symbol is worth. So my symbol is going to be a smiley face, and I'm going to say each smiley face is worth 1 student. So if I have 4 students who walked, that means I need to do 4 smiley faces here. Okay, now I'm going to do my bikes. I have 2 students who bike home, 7 who ride a car, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. And then 8 who bus. There's 7 and 8. Okay, now I have my pictograph ready to use and organize my data.